Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Said and I'm back with Athlete and Athletes. हमारे साथ after a long time there is someone which exactly is a big name behind the person, Ashraf Tai, and his daughter Maham Tai over here. कैसी हैं Maham? ठीक है आप?
Alhamdulillah, very good.
Thank you so much for coming, and I really appreciate that you spared your time for this small podcast.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. Acha, Maham, a reason of doing this podcast is basically to make the people aware of the social life, what fitness is. Before that, हमें ये जानना है कि महाम ताई कौन है.
Okay.
हमें ये जानना है, हमें लाजमी जानना है, because this is something all of a sudden a girl came up with the name. Of course, there is a name behind you that represents you, and it's honor. But who's Maham Tai?
If I am asked who is Maham Tai, then I would say someone who had this pressure of keeping the legacy and to take it forward, और उसके अपने struggles थे, and then being a female
Yes.
and being into martial arts and the fitness field was a different struggle itself. So coming out of that shell is someone who Maham Tai is.
When you realize that you can do it?
I think I was 1.5 when I started martial arts. Since it was running in the family, तो वो एक होता है कि okay, you're into this. So I was 1.5, and then I started my journey off from there. Obviously, when you're young, you don't realize at that time कि okay, this is something serious and
Yes.
you want to pursue it as a career. उस time it's running in the family. सब कर रहे हैं तो आप कर रहे होते हो. But then later on, when you come into an age जहाँ पे आपको realize होता है okay, this is something that I want.
Yes.
जब आप अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, अपनी स्टडीज में आगे आप सोच रहे होते हो okay, what do you want to do, what do you want to be, who am I as a person.
True.
तो उस टाइम जो एक रिफ्लेक्शन या जो एक चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आई थी कि okay, even if I'm studying, if I'm doing media sciences, if I'm doing whatever, my personality is entirely based on being a martial artist. At the back of the head, मेरे दिमाग में मेरे perceptions, मेरी lifestyle, मेरा discipline is all connected to that.
अच्छा, माशाल्लाह.
So why should I be something different when my entire lifestyle is related to that thing?
From the childhood, and then of
Yeah,
course.
well, it was an entire journey, and I feel realizing it gave another pump to it.
So what do you suggest when you being a girl, what challenges are there?
I think I can't even name one. There are like a billion challenges that you have to go through. One of them is what the society thinks, because martial arts एक ऐसा sport है, and usually होता है कि people find it a very masculine sport.
Yes.
And it is not considered a female sport. तो उसके अंदर even आज time तक भी okay, things have changed by time. पहले तो फिर भी बहुत होता था कि females नहीं आती थी इस
बिल्कुल
sport
ऐसा
की
ही है।
तरफ, बिल्कुल भी. अब तो फिर भी थोड़ा एक change आया है. We see females coming up. They're MMA fighters, they're taekwondo
Yes, mashallah,
fighters.
ऐसा ही है।
Olympics में we see women participating, and it's amazing to see that. But still those challenges are there कि आपको
हमारी
उसी हिसाब से
society.
जज किया जाता है कि ठीक है, अगर ये मार्शल आर्ट्स करे तो या तो ये बहुत बोल्ड होगी, या शी इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी मैस्कुलिन, और शी इज़ गोइंग टू हैव दीज masculine traits in herself. She's not going to be girly, she's not going to be according to the society. या जैसे हमारी सोसाइटी का एक माइंडसेट होता है कि एक लड़की को इस तरीके से होना चाहिए, वो ट्रेट्स होने चाहिए, तो ये सब चीज़ें नहीं लाए करेंगी. एंड देन यू नो लाइक वो फिर आप उन चीज़ों के साथ भी चल रहे होते हो, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक लाइक अ पर्सन लाइक मी had to make people realize that okay, even if I'm doing a sports like this, I still am a normal girl.
Yes.
So
mashallah.
that is something should be considered
It's a
as
big
a
challenge
talent.
as well, and it's
Yeah,
a big
and
challenge as well.
अगर हम अगर लड़के कर रहे हैं sport, it is considered as a talent for them.
True.
It's a skill for them. And if we're doing it, either या तो वो reason ये आएगा कि okay, ये शायद इसलिए learn कर रही है कि because she needs to protect herself or for the society. That is one aspect to
Yes.
it, but it is also a talent and a skill for a girl as well.
Of course, हम इस बात को बिल्कुल डिनाई नहीं कर सकते कि हमारी सोसाइटी में एक तो चलो in terms of keeping yourself secure is a good right,
Yeah, exactly.
and every girl deserves to be have that right,
Exactly.
of course. But the point is, हमें ये बात नहीं भूलनी चाहिए कि girls are right now as per the era, they are equal to men.
Yeah.
Yes, and we should accept it. चाहे वो sports में हो, चाहे वो business में हो, and we should accept it and we should respect that as well. Factor of steroids. What do you think about that? Have you ever taken that?
Not at all. I think
Every sports has a part of that.
It
Either
does,
कितना भी
definitely.
हो, tiny हो, मतलब it's just a touch or whatever, but there is a part. Every sportsman.
there is always a part to it, and we've seen it. Like I've seen it throughout my journey as well. I've seen people taking it, and I see people going through the side effects of
Yes.
it. So
And women are taking that. as
women are taking it as well, men are taking it as well, so it's not something gender related to it.
True.
So I think it's kind of like a shortcut people are finding towards reaching their goal, but they don't actually understand that in the end it's like a dead end.
well. Of true.
And personally I feel I never opted for it because I never was into this circle because of my father as well. He has been someone who has always promoted long-term goals, long-term success, and always keeping things natural.
He's the
working
legend,
out,
mashallah. He
exercise.
has-
Exactly.
He's the
And I feel
legend.
then,
He has passed a very outstanding rules in the industry which people still following it,
Yeah.
which has been brought by him himself.
And even when people are coming around now as well, and they look at him, though he is at an age, and people still look at him. He's conducting the classes.
Mashallah.
He's taking them himself. He's doing all of the physical activities. So people who are going through the natural thing have this ability to do it.
True.
People who are on steroids, they just have a certain lifeline, and after a certain age, that is it. It is their end of the era. But a person who's on a natural process, they're going to live as long as they want, apart from death being a natural
Of
thing.
course, that's something
But
different.
their health stays like at the fittest level that they can say.
And this is something exactly people are not understanding right now because of the situations of the society. अच्छा एक सवाल जो कि mostly I usually ask with the people, society pressure, society making women to not go towards the sports because of what exactly we are still discussing. What do you suggest to the young women right now who might be watching us, but still they in the back of the mind they want to do something, they do have a good talents as well, but unfortunately because of the so-called society,
yeah.
they don't want, and parents does not let them go.
Yeah.
How we can support them, or how we can let them understand exactly, yes, you can do it, but still you should follow some rules. What are that? What do you suggest?
I feel that every single person needs to understand this, that the society is there, the ethics and morals are there. But if you're going towards any sport, I don't feel that you are breaking any ethics, you are breaking any morals. That is completely to you as a person. And koi bhi sport ho, if you are good as a person, you can come out and shine in whatever sport or whatever thing you're opting. It's just on the talent and the skill that you have.
And please, parents, support your girls as well.
Yeah, I think it's really important. अगर आपके parents supportive होते हैं and you find them at
that's
the
a
back,
major
you
factor.
feel more strong,
Yes.
and that is something that motivates you as well. And I feel कि it's really important for girls to have that support ताकि वो ऐसे sports में आए, वो fitness की तरफ आए. They come into the society because of having a talent and not because of peer pressure.
One of my teachers basically he always says that a fit woman is a fit future of family.
That's so true.
So of course right now हमारे यहाँ तो society में बेचारी शादी हो जाती है तो उस बेचारी के साथ तो फिर जिंदगी बड़ी अजीब सी हो जाती है. But still I will recommend, and this she's an example, we should learn from her. And that's really hats off to you, honestly speaking. Perfect, sounds good. And you people have an academy as well, right?
Yeah, we do.
You do train them?
We do. My dad does still as
course.
well. My entire family is there too. So we're all into this. I, apart from training in the academy, I've trained forces as well. Women in the police, in the SSU, and then I've also given like NGO sessions so that are there, because हम लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे NGOs देखते हैं, we see women struggling in the society, because जाहिर सी बात है protection का भी एक अलग factor आ जाता है, and जिस society में हम रह रहे हैं, females are
Very true.
they're targeted everywhere.
This is the main point where exactly my next questions comes up. Are you people planning something to teach girls a class of something that how they can protect themselves? A self-defense class is something like that?
I think that is one
Or-
of our priorities.
There are some classes? Or
Yeah, there
are
are definitely classes in which it is our priority, and we see a lot of girls coming in
Mashallah.
keeping this as a priority themselves as well.
Mashallah.
So when they're coming in for a thing like this, we see कि okay, अब कुछ आते हैं, they're not interested in your like learning the sport as a skill or a talent.
Yes.
They want it just for their protection. So we have separate classes for self defense, and we train them according to the situations. जितनी भी we see के बाहर आकर हो रही होती हैं with girls or with anyone, तो हम उसके हिसाब से जो है we have self defense techniques. We teach them that. We try to make them as strong as possible as they can. So at least when they're outside, they don't feel the fear on walking on a street, or maybe ऐसा ना हो कि बहुत सारी लड़कियां जो हैं वो सिर्फ इस डर की वजह से कॉलेजेस नहीं जाती हैं, एजुकेशन छोड़ देती हैं, जॉब्स छोड़ देती हैं, because they're being targeted everywhere. So I feel women
And
should
how
feel
much
safe.
you people are charging if someone cannot afford that?
It's minimal, and that's what I said right now. If there are people coming in who cannot afford it, it's free of cost for them.
Mashallah.
Because for me, coming into this, one of the main reasons was that I wanted to empower women. I
Mashallah.
wanted to make women strong, and I wanted women to feel safe, because even though being privileged, you still go through all of these things, and I feel every woman in this world goes through a certain phase where they do face harassment,
Yes.
where they do face a lot of challenges, and it's regardless of whatever class you belong to. So
Perfect. So, would you like to tell the people how they can contact you and where your academy is? If someone through this channel they might reach you, the girls I'm talking about, of course, and they want to learn something from you, because as being a set example, mashallah. So, how they can contact you and where your academy is, you can please tell them as well.
you can always contact me through social media, since that has become a trend, and
Yes.
people can contact anyone easily from there. So I'm on Instagram by the name of Maham Tai, and you can always come to my academy. It is one of the famous academies in Pakistan. It's Dai Karate Center International Headquarters, and it is at Main Emigina Road.
And people, please do contact her. She's the right example for the girls right now to follow. And thank you so much, everyone. And it's an honor for us that she's here. And definitely someday we'll have her father as well. Someday, if he'll agree. And we'll definitely get back with you people with some really good content more. And please stay away from the steroids. Be natural and be the people like for the girls I'm talking about right now. We are here to support every individual. Make sure that you live a good and healthy life. Live healthy, live happy, and eat healthy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.